Every year, as premiums become increasingly expensive, hundreds of thousands of senior Americans are left to give up their life insurance policies. While many believe it's their only choice, a growing number of states are now required to inform consumers of their other options. To explore these options, we travel to Austin, Texas, and hear how Magna Life Settlements is one company working with advisors and their clients to take advantage of new opportunities, boosting retirement finances.
They say life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Javme Natal, case administrator at Magna Life Settlements, knows firsthand the value of a life settlement option.
Personally, if I would have known about Magna Life Settlements when my dad was diagnosed with terminal cancer, I think that it would have changed a lot for us.
A life settlement is the sale of a life insurance policy to a third party for more than its surrender value. Most life insurance policies are considered assets under federal law, giving the owner the right to sell them.
A life settlement may be a good option for somebody that has a policy that they no longer need or want.
Magna Life Settlements, based in Austin, Texas, is a top-ranked life settlement provider with licensing in every state where insurance regulations require it. Purdy, director of Origination, says Magna helps policy owners receive more settlement money faster.
So a life settlement can provide substantial amount of value over what the insurance carrier will pay the client, which gives the agent the ability to write other transactions or solve some of the problems that the clients went to see them for to begin with.
Serra, president and general counsel at Magna Life Settlements, describes how the benefits for policy owners can be substantial.
We offer them the opportunity to go from zero value, a lapsed policy, after years of paying premiums, to a windfall amount.
For insurance and financial advisors looking to offer their clients new opportunities, the life settlement industry is one poised for growth. Licensing and regulation are building confidence with policy owners, and investors can purchase assets untied to bond and stock markets.
Insurance agents and financial advisors should know about life settlements because it's an emerging marketplace. We're hearing clients every day that are doing life settlements that are using the proceeds to fund long-term care so they can buy a long-term care policy, purchase an annuity because they're about to go on retirement. They also, just so they can take that trip of a lifetime that they've always wanted to take.
According to Gibson, Magna's senior vice president of Origination, the time to explore life settlements is now.
And if you're not talking to your clients and you're not taking advantage of the life settlement option, then you're going to get left behind.
Life settlements are slated to increase in popularity as baby boomers head into their next chapter.
There's a perfect storm right now. You have the largest growing demographic in our country, going to 80 million retirees over the next 18 years. There's $100 billion of policies that are being lapsed on an annual basis, and then healthcare costs is rising at twice the inflation rate.
In the past 20 years, life settlement regulation across the country has strengthened, and experts say it's benefited not only policy owners, but the industry as a whole. Part of that new regulation specifically includes what's called the Seniors' Right to Know movement.
The Seniors' Right to Know movement is a recent development over the last 6 or 7 years. The insurance carriers now in 8 states are required to disclose life settlements as an option to their insureds. So if the insured is going to lapse or surrender a policy, it's on the insurance carrier or the financial advisor to disclose that life settlements is an option.
Not educating clients about life settlements could create a liability. Thompson, senior life insurance marketing consultant, explains.
Advisors need to be educated about life settlements because really there's not only a liability risk for them, because if they don't expose their clients to this strategy, there's a possibility that they'll have professional liability. More importantly, though, is that it's a huge solution for their clients in cases where they need money for other things.
Those other things can range from long-term care to retirement income, and for some, a life settlement could mean enjoying those golden years just a bit more.